Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we'll make our final run to the Mississippi border on U.S. Highway 72 in Colbert County, Alabama. We're just leaving the city of Tuscumbia and we'll be driving through a mostly rural area to the state line. Here on the left, there's an unmarked rest area / park with no facilities, but you can see some picnic tables along the little roads in the median. At Dry Creek, we enter the unincorporated community of Pride, which had a post office in operation from 1870 to 1915 under the name Pride Station. The name comes from Edward Mitchell Pride, who landed at Pride's Landing sometime after July 1797 and eventually built the family home there. Pride is mostly a junction between US 72 and State Route 247 and is the site of Vulcan Materials Company, a supplier of construction aggregates.
to me.
We passed through the town of Cherokee, with a population of 970 as of the 2020 census. In 1856, a post office named Cherokee was established in anticipation of the Memphis and Charleston Railroad, which was being constructed. A depot was finished in 1859 to serve the new rail line passing through the town. This led to a surge in construction, and the lots surrounding the depot were rapidly sold. By 1862, the town had expanded significantly, leading the residents to vote for its incorporation, adopting the name of the post office officially. By the early 1900s, Cherokee boasted multiple stores, a grist mill, and a hotel. The installation of the first telephone system occurred in 1914, followed by the introduction of electricity in 1920. However, Cherokee's growth began to slow down as nearby towns such as Florence, Tuscumbia, and Muscle Shoals experienced expansion and drew business away. Consequently, many downtown businesses in Cherokee were forced to close. Here, the Natchez Trace Parkway crosses US 72 on an overpass with an indirect connection via an access road. We conclude today's video at mile 0 as we reach the Mississippi state line. Thanks for watching. We've enabled channel memberships, so for just $1 or more a month, you too can help support our channel. Click the link in the description to join. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.